Okay, be careful, there's a car. So we will go now to the park. Sa park kung saan palagi ko silang dinadala. So matagal na rin kaming nasa loob ng bahay kasi nga snow dito, winter. Sobrang malamig. So hindi kami masyadong nakakalabas kasi sobrang lamig sa labas. So ngayon it's a little bit chilly. Still cold but not much. Like before. So we will check yung park kung pwede na siyang paglaruan kung wala ng snow. Dadalhin ko tong dalawang bata para naman makalabas-labas. Here you go, we're walking. Okay, go on the other side, come on. And the other side, you have to look both sides of the road. Pia, Sophia, here. You forgot the ano? Oh, it's okay. Yeah, so kapag summer, dito kami palagi pumupunta. Malapit na park lang sa bahay namin. Yes, honey? What did you say? Yeah, so you have to be careful, honey. Yes, so you have to be careful. Yeah, so dito kami palagi pumupunta ng aking anak. Oh my God, napagod agad ako dun. So dito ko sila dinadala, diyan sila nag-play date ng mga bata. Ayan. Kasi pag ganitong winter talaga dito, hindi ka makalabas kasi napakalamig. Ayan. Ayan sila. Come on. Let's go, dali. Oh my God. So nakita niyo yan. Soccer field yan. Punong-puno siya ng snow. I know you don't walk there. No, don't go there, honey. See, it's too much snow. Let's go. Ayan, gustong-gusto nila yung matubig. Come on, Pastor. Did you hear that? It's like water leaking. Sounds like water leaking, honey. Did you hear it? Yeah. Okay, don't go walk there. Don't go walk there. Is that right? Nahihirapan pa rin ako. Okay. Come on. Malamig pa rin pala. Buti na lang may dala akong gloves. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ayan, naglalandi sila sa snow. Ay, sa tubig. Yan ang gusto nila eh. Jumping in the water. Faster! Sorry. I'm putting my gloves on kasi nga ang lamig pa rin. Naninigas yung mga daliri ko. So ayan yung soccer field niya. Ito, ayan. So pag summer maganda siya. Maraming naglalaro dyan. So palagi ko silang dinadala dyan para hindi sila mainip sa park. Oh no. Yan, nakita na niya ang playground. Pero mukhang ma-snow pa rin. Hindi pa rin pwedeng makapaglaro. No, not there, honey. That's so slippery. Saan na yung boots mo, honey? No, not there. Not there, Chess. No. That's so slippery, honey. Look. Huh? Yeah. Ayan. Ayan yung soccer field. And sobrang ma-snow. Oh my God. Kami lang. Ay, it's wet pa rin. It's Anak, don't scream, anak. Chess, stop screaming. Honey, you have to be careful. That's a little bit slippery. So we are here sa park. Ayan. Dito ko sila dinadala kapag summer. Kasi inip sila sa bahay. Yes, anak. Okay, climb up, but you have to be careful.
Hi, Lucia. Whoa. Hello.
Hello. Be careful, anak.
Okay. Mama.
Thank you. Kapag summer, maraming bata dito. Maraming mga nagpi-play. Hello, anak. Ayan. I know. You have to be careful, baby. You see me? Oh, I see you too. I saw you. Okay, I'm gonna sit here a bit. Ayan. Yes, anak. Be careful. Yes. Oh, okay. Come on, let's go. It's not allowed to use, they said. Not allowed to use until April 1. Come on, get down.
No, I need 55.
So, may nakalagay dito. It's a French. Pero parang bawal pang gamitin kasi it's dangerous. Come on, be. Baka tayo maano dito. Come on. Baka tayo damputin ng pulis. Charot. Let's go. So ayun na nga, umuwi na lang kami. Kasi may mga nakalagay na post doon sa park na hindi pa pala pwedeng gamitin kasi dangerous pa kasi marami pang snow. Ay mga anak ko atat na. So nag-slide sila ng konti. So umuwi na rin. So dito na sila ngayon. Ayan, still galaro pa rin ng snow. Ayan, so shovel. Ayan sila. That's really heavy, honey. Yeah, you have to be careful. Ayan. Ayan, so pabayaan ko muna silang maglaro sa labas kasi matagal-tagal na rin silang hindi nakakapaglaro sa labas. Sakit ng mata ko. My eyes is so sore. Here's my plant. Ito yung garden na yan. Lalagyan ko siya ng plant every summer. ko alam kung ano nangyari sa mata ko, pero napakasakit. Let's go inside. Let's go inside the house. Be? Inside the house. Let's go inside the house now. Why? Oh, of course I'm asking why. So, sobrang pangit na ng snow, hindi na siya nabubuo. Ay, nabubuo pala, pero kaya lang hindi na masyadong kagandahan katulad kapag bago. Ayan. Let's go inside na. Ayaw para nilang pumasok sa loob. Gusto para nilang maglaro. Nagugutom na ako at tagal pa nila maglaro. Let's go! It's not because the snow now is hard. No, I don't want to go there. So hanggang dito na lang po muna ang aking pagbablog. Kasi kailangan ko silang pilitin pumasok ng bahay. Alas 12 na. Kailangan na nilang mag-lunch. So, bye-bye for now. And please, subscribe po sa aming channel. And give us a like. Thank you!